Let's check the volume. Let's check the volume. Everything seems to be fine. Good morning. It's early morning, early Monday morning. I want to go through Bitcoin, what Bitcoin has been doing the past few days, and what I expect in the next days. Now let's see the weekly, because we had a weekly close yesterday, and the weekly close is quite bullish. There might be more coming soon on the to the upside. The money flow, however, is a little bit thick in the red. So on the weekly, I expect a rejection. Now if I see the monthly is very bullish. We're just printing a green dot on the monthly, which is very bullish, and the view up is going up. Now we have to take this in mind. For the weekly, maybe we're going to have some kind of rejection and going sideways like that. But there is a high chance that we continue. Let's see the lower time frames, like the daily. The daily seems to me a little bit overextended right now. I would not bet on a long right now. It seems too extended, and there might be a time that we, it already starting to turn over. But look at the money flow. I mean, the money flow, huge amount of money poured into Bitcoin. So we also have to take this into account, like huge amount of whales or traders with money, they're buying Bitcoin. On the daily, as I said, it looks a little bit overextended. Maybe it will go down a little bit, or do something like that, sideways. Yes, we'll see. For now, I'm not trading. I want to see the lower time frames. On the 4 hour, just look at the money flow. Huge money flow, huge money in Bitcoin. There is a huge bearish divergence, however, already from these levels, from 19k starting. Now the money flow is diminishing, and we might be able to dump. We'll see what happens, but also the 4 hour is behaving very strong right now, like it's going sideways, and if this wave went up, it might continue, but we have strong bearish divergences right now. So I would expect to go sideways a little bit more, and maybe start going down at least to 21,100. Well, it looks tricky, definitely. Now on the 3 hour, we see that the money flow is low here, and there is, be careful, because if you long here, it might suddenly dump and liquidate you. So I'm not longing at this level. I just want to see what is happening. Bearish divergence on the money flow. Yes, I'll be sniffing for some trade, although I don't see a trade right now that I can take. Too high above. I'm only looking for a short, but right now with these green dots, and there is some wave going up again from here, and the money flow is quite high, even on the 1 hour, to consider a short. So no thanks. On the 30 minute, we're going sideways. No, I'm not able to trade this right now. We're going sideways after this huge move, and money flow is decreasing. Like some take profit, some people are taking profit, and that's why the money flow should be going down. But overall, it's behaving in a very strong way. So let's see the Ichimoku quote. The daily Ichimoku is also quite high. I would expect to have some retracement to the downside. 20k, maybe even 18.5. This is on the daily, of course. It will take a long time to reach this. Let's see, 6 hour. We didn't even come to 21 to this support. It was resistance, now it's turned into support. We didn't even test this 21,200 level, so we might be testing this in the near future. On the 1 hour, yeah, we're in the quote right now. There is nothing I can do. If we break this Tenkan-sen, it would be interesting, but for the time being I'm not trading this because it can go both ways. Of course, the higher probability is to go to the downside to retest a little bit some levels, but as you can see, it's going sideways. Huge trap from Bitcoin. It's huge strength. I haven't, I would have expected from Bitcoin to just to go down a little bit to correct, but it's not even going down. It's just going sideways, printing the waves. It's amazing. The volume delta is bullish. We're having higher highs here and maintaining 2.5 billion on the volume delta. Wow, we are maintaining that. So let me maybe draw some trend lines here. I'll draw a ray. So maybe we have to expect something like that. Make it red. Yeah, this is a nice ray that I want to take into account. It's still looking bullish. Wow, this is amazing. If we retrace, I guess we're going to retrace to this 21,100 or 21,200 level, and we have to watch out if we break this trend line, what we're going to do after that. Yeah. Now let's see the Google Trends. The Bitcoin price interest in search terms in Google Trends. Let me see the 90-day. It seems we're going up here. We already bottomed on 25, 23, and now we're going up with the price going up, which is very interesting. Right now we had the opposite. When the Bitcoin price interest was going up, we had the price going down, but now it's reversed. So maybe this is the bottom. I'm not throwing the towel yet, but it seems that on the 12th month we already bottomed here on the Bitcoin price search term. Now we're going up and the price is going up, which is really interesting. This divergence that I was mentioning in my past videos. Now this indicator, it seems that we might be having some more upside, maybe. but it's not good for a short right now. uh, yeah, no trade. It can go both ways. What I'll be watching for, if we really go down, go to the downside. Let me bring the 6 hour. So we have this 21 100, 21 200. It would be very important level. uh, if we backtest it successfully and start going up, it would be really bullish. If we break it to the downside, um, yeah, we'll have to reevaluate. It's probable that also Bitcoin starts dumping to the downside below 16k. So we'll see. Really interesting time for the market right now. Everyone is very bullish, and the sentiment is bullish, and it went very quickly bullish. So maybe the bears are going to punish hodor, hodlers again. Or yeah, that's it from me. This is what I can say. There is a nice trigger wave on the 2 hour to the upside, but the money flow is decreasing, so I'm not doing anything here. 45 minutes, a few bad diamonds, uh, again green dot. It seems to a lot of people want to go up, but the money is decreasing. Yeah, have a good Monday and take care.